So the next array method will be slice. Obviously the name is similar to splice, but obviously it is sounding the same but not doing the same thing. So slice, think about it as a pie. So our array here would be a pie, and we would ask for the slice of our pie, basically. So it will give us the copy of the array that we wish. So if I console log fruits here, fruits, yep, we will have our fruits here, but also I could do this. I will create a new and set it to be a slice of our current array. Slice, not splice. It could be easily messed up, but yeah. And if you log this one, you can see that now we have two arrays, and this one is basically the copy of this array, right?